See here, now you have to concentrate on the term free expansion. We have already studied about this expression for pressure, volume, work, and now we are going to see about the free expansion. See on the blackboard, I have given the expression. So a free expansion means expansion against zero opposition force, and such expansion occurs in vacuum. The work done by the system during such expansion is given by the equation. See on the blackboard, W is equal to minus P external delta V. W is equal to minus P external delta V. What happens in the free expansion? There is no opposing pressure. Opposing pressure is zero. So in the vacuum, such condition is present in the vacuum. So in the vacuum, opposing pressure P is zero. P external is zero. So in the vacuum, P external is equal to zero, and therefore W is equal to, see here, minus P external value is 0 into delta V. Since the opposing pressure is 0, there is no expansion or there is no compression, and therefore no change in volume delta V. That means W is equal to 0, and therefore we say that no work is done by the system or no work is done on the system, that is W is equal to 0. No work is done when the gas freely expands in a vacuum. Means work is nothing but the exchange of energy from surrounding to system and from system to surrounding. But there is no opposing pressure in the vacuum and there will not be any loss of energy. Piston is movable but no loss of energy. By the system to push piston in the upward, or no loss of energy by surrounding to push piston to downward position. Okay? In other words, no work is done when the gas expands freely in the vacuum. So free expansion means such condition is observed in the vacuum. In the vacuum, there is no opposing pressure, means no work is done by the system or no work is done on the system, and therefore since the external opposing pressure is 0, no work will be done and W is equal to 0. See here, no work is done when the gas freely expands in vacuum. So it can be a 2 marks question, that what is free expansion? Give the expression for free expansion. What are the conditions when the work is done by the system is 0? So you have to write this for the just 2 marks. And these are the units of energy and work. See here, 1 joule is equal to, I have written here, 1 kilogram m square s raised to power minus 2. That means 1 Pascal m raised to cube. 1 Pascal is equal to. So I have written here and I have given you all these formulae. So work W unit is bar into decimeter cube. 1 bar is equal to 10 raised to power 5 pascals, 10 to the power 5 kilogram, m raised to power minus 1, s raised to power minus 2. So here I have given in detail all the units available to you. So finally 1 cubic decimeter bar is equal to 100 joules. See here, one thing I will like to tell you, that when pressure is in bar and delta V, change in volume, is in cubic decimeter, then the work done will be decimeter cube into bar. Okay, because what is work? W is nothing but the pressure into volume. So when pressure is in bar and change in volume is in cubic decimeter, then the W is given in the decimeter cube bar. So you have to remember all these formulae, and next we will apply this in the numericals. Okay.